Siya at yung mga fans lang niya. When you're so delulu, and then you're so...
Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Ellen Adarna ibinunyag ang totoo tungkol sa lumalabas na video. Si Ellen Adarna ay muling nagpabilib sa kanyang mga followers matapos niyang sagutin ang ilang katanungan sa social media at linawin ang isyong kaugnay ng trending video na kumakalat online. Sa halip na manahimik, pinili niyang magsalita at ipaliwanag ang kanyang panig upang maalis ang maling haka-haka ng publiko. Sa kanyang mga sagot, makikita ang pagiging direkta at totoo ni Ellen, walang paligoy-ligoy ngunit may respeto at pagpapahalaga pa rin sa kanyang mga taga-suporta. Wika pa nga niya, "What kind of foolishness is this? The claims being made are misleading and unfair. Let's set the record straight. Truth matters, facts matter, and credit should always be given where it is due." Narito at ating panoorin ang kabuuan ng video pero bago yan maaari po kayong mag-subscribe para updated sa iba pang kaganapan.
Diba ang balita, 4 na yaya pa ang kasama ni Ellen ngayon. Na sila talaga nagbigay ng mami niya. May 4 na yaya. Pagkatapos merong nilipatan na bahay. Kasama pa yung allowance ni Lily. So secure siya. Wala siyang dapat na idiretso. Dahil alam niya, ang diretso ay hindi na dinediretso pa. Diba ang balita?
Siya at yung mga fans lang niya. When you're so delulu, and then you're so used to lying, you start to believe in all your own lies. So, diba? Kung quiet na lang unta siya, di ta ma-trigger din di mangangkon, di magpaka-feeling na dato kay siya, di ba ma-trigger kayo makatingog ta Piragaba din tama. You're a deep thinker. You analyze. You do your research and you think. Forgiveness is only for the people who deserve it and who ask for it and really change. But I'm not Mother Teresa, bye. I'm not there yet. Yes, nanay-nanayan siya, anak-anakan siya. I don't know what they're, but I know they're close. And Vermin is doing the dirty work for him, diba? Bango-bango ng pangalan niya pag si Vermin ang nagsalita. So, I don't appreciate it na like that because if they're close, he can just call her up and say, "Hey, stop it. I'm still his wife. That's my wife. You can stop it." But no. So it's like smear campaigns. He's asking people to do the dirty work for him. And it's such a pathetic move. It's at least have the balls to do it yourself. Man up. Since October last year, he hasn't given. So October, November, December, January. So came January, I had it. My family was like, "Nope, don't tolerate that shit." If he doesn't give anything, then no, Lily. That's simple. So that's when I called them out and I think they panic. Well, nothing man. So, there. But 2 weeks ago, less than 2 weeks ago, the credit card arrived. Yun na yan. And then grabe magka-flex, bili ng cars and all that. So, you see where his priorities are. Like, oh my God. Well, to be fair, he said he gave milk and diapers last November or October, but I don't know. We didn't see it because I'm the type that I hoard. I hoard milk, I hoard diapers. I mean, diba? I even hoard makeup. What more food and stuff for my children. So, di namin yun nakita and di namin matrace. Sana he can provide receipts. So, it's there. But he said that he sent milk and diapers in October. So, there. I will not discredit that. And, I think this month, he bought milk daw. That's good for 2 months. But I already bought also. Good for 3 months. So, it's not here with me. So, there. So, let's not discredit that also that he bought daw. So, there. Well, this is not the first time. You should research about what happened to his first wife and his son. Go deep into that. It's a pattern. Because Elias was only a toddler at the time. He wasn't schooling, and I was in Cebu. When I'm in Cebu, everything is taken care of. My house, bills, driver, yes, it's all paid for the company. So my only gastos when I was in Cebu there was only my groceries. So it was fair, no? Na yun lang. Actually, I didn't ask for 20. I only asked for 10. But since it was John Lloyd who insisted, he'll double the amount. So, from 10,000, he wanted to double it, naging 20. So, yeah. So, that explains it. Okay? There. Well, there was food, no? But, like, sometimes, makulang. Like, the first 2 years in the marriage, like, pag nakulang, I buy. I make abono. Because his mom was in charge of the groceries from start to finish of the marriage. So the first 2 years, I buy my own. Kasi kulang. Alias has his own. Alias is provided. Kasi nakahiya naman, diba, na parang nakiride on lang na provided naman siya kay JL. So, and I buy groceries for my stuff. And my tampons, my toiletries, that I buy for myself. So, yeah, it was just